Welcome guys, and in today's video I just want to show you real quickly something cool that I found that I use pretty often now, and that is this little guy. I'm going to show you exactly what this is for. It comes like that. Also comes with a bag of these. What's it all for? Well, let's get to it right now. But before we get too far into it, gloves. Alright, so this is usually how I have my ink laid out. If I'm going to be doing a black and gray piece, I have my caps. I'm going to pour my black ink, pour my witch hazel or distilled water, and then I'm going to show you what we're going to do from there. Now we have everything poured out. Now normally what I would do is I would take my machine before I get going, and I start from light to dark, dipping the machine and the running needle into each one of these caps. Now the great thing here is that this pretty much does that work for us. It comes with plenty of these little disposable pieces here. All it has is this weird little cross right here, and that's what's doing the stirring. We take that, we slide it right onto it like that, push a little bit, it slips in there. Now we have a button right here, and as you can see, that sucker is spinning. So what I like to do is start from obviously my lightest and mix to my dark. If I start mixing from my dark and I move to my light, then I'm taking that darkness and putting it into my lighter tones. But if you start from light and you move to dark, you're not really altering much. So here we go. I will say you'll make a little bit of a mess. As you can see, a little bits kind of spew out here and there. No big deal. At this point, I'll take a paper towel on the tip. Damn. Pull that sucker out of there and put this off to the side and dispose of this bit. Also guys, if you're going to be mixing colors, you may want to switch these out in between each color. It can be a headache, or you can just clean these off in between each color so you're not contaminating a yellow with some red or something. You don't want orange if you don't want orange, so be careful when you're mixing to ensure you're not making a new color that you didn't want in the beginning. Clean it off or use a different disposable tip for these. But guys, these are like $5-7 on Amazon. Takes a couple AA batteries. Right? Super cheap. There's really not a lot to this. Right? The plastic is all like funky and everything. There's not a whole lot going on for this thing, but for a few bucks, it's not a bad tool when it comes to mixing my ink. I love it for black and gray because I use one bit and I run down the whole thing. Anyhow, super simple. 2 batteries. Top goes on. So just want to make this quick tip, just show you this simple little gadget in case it excites you in some way. Also guys, we're looking at shirts coming out soon. Trying some of them out right now. I really dig them. Like this one right here, it's art something. I don't know who that guy's supposed to look like, but whatever. There will be a few other shirts up there too. Just keep an eye out. I'll let you guys know when we're going live with it. We're looking right around August 1st, that time frame. The shirts should be available if you even care to get one. Anyhow, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, ring the bell to get notifications when I post, and until next time guys, peace.